Muli po, Boss Jasly, Boss Patrick, thank you so much for having El Pablo Catering Services dito po sa inyong Thanksgiving and Christmas celebration 2024. Ako po ulit si Mau. Permission to plug my beloved bosses. You can check my Showbiz Projects, television, and big screen appearances. Just type in my official hashtag, Mau Ilario the Sing MC. I was already part of Abot Kamay ng Pangarap in GMA 7, Anak, Pepito Manaloto, Saving Grace in Prime Video. Marami pa po. Marami pa pong shows. Nalimutan ko. I had my first independent film, ako si Juan. And ang pinaka-recent po, actually, inaabangan kong umere yung doon sa pinagbibidahan ko ni Senator Bong Revilla, partner siya. Yan. Walang matigas na pulis sa matinik na misis season 3 na yan. GMA 7 then every Sunday. So, once again, our official page is El Pablo Catering Services on Facebook. I'll be jamming with partner Shai and partner Kenan. Palakpakan natin with Restorer and Boss Jasly. Thank you for having us tonight. And Boss Patrick, here's a song from the Claire Magno to, di ba, partner? O, yun na yun. Till they take my heart away. Thank you, Boss Jasly.